Hello guys, welcome back to Tech and Unbox with Anas. Today video we will solve the new questions that is write a program to find the prime factors of a given numbers in Java. How to solve these questions? So let me take one example first. See, let's suppose I want to prime factor of this number of 12. So what are the prime factor for this? For checking that, first of all, we check how many times it divisible or which number should be divisible by the 12. So as you can see here, our 12 is divisible by 2, again 2, then 3. This is divisible by these three numbers. So that is 2, 2 and 3. As you can see here, 2 is a prime factors numbers because it is divisible by itself, and 1. That is why it's a prime factor numbers. Same as the 3 is a prime factors number. To implement this, let me take one more example. If you have a 60, you tell me how many if prime factors they have. To checking this, so first of all, we know that 2 is a prime factors. So when we divide by 2, it will become the 30. Okay. In the remainder of 30. Then again it will divide by 2. So then remainder is 15. Then 15 is again divided by uh, 3. Then 5 in the remainders. It will divide by 2, 2, 15, and not 15, yeah. Uh, yeah, 15. So this is the way of dividing the hour 60. So as you can see here, there 2 is there, 2, 15, 3, 3, 5. But I have to check which one is a prime factors numbers. To check that, we need some logic. Let me write our program. So first of all, method, start of main method, uh, take the scanner for the dynamic input. Scanner s is equal to new scanner system dot in this out, enter your number. After this, take the variables, that is int number is equal to s dot next int. So this is the first step to take the our input from the user in a dynamic way. After this out, write the prime factors, factor of plus number plus r. Whatever the numbers they have, it will be printing after uh this. So so let me comment out first. Print the number of two that divide number. Divide number. It means if our numbers is divided by 2, so we already know that 2 is a prime factors numbers. So we directly check first of all, first condition is if our number is divided by 2, how many times that will be the prime factors numbers to get the first 2. After this, we'll explain you. Next one is whatever the conditions we need. To check that, we need a while loop. Uh, while while number is percentile by 2 is equal to 0. This is the condition. If our number is percentile by 2 is equal to 0, what we need to print? Our number is 2. how many times it divide, that time it will print the 2. So sys out just print 2 plus space, and same way number divide equal to 2. It will be divide until the 2 is not until the divide by 2, it will be dividing continuously. So how many times it divided, it will print the 2. So this is the our first condition. The next one is, what if number have obviously every numbers have a prime factors of 3 can be the prime factors, 17 can be the prime factors. So how to achieve that type of prime factor? This is the common to, because we know that 2 is a prime factor. We just write the conditions to getting the 2 in the prime factors of our numbers. What if have let's suppose here 15 is there, 3 is there, 5 is there. How to achieve that? For that, need a one more for loop. First comment out number must be uh, must be add at this point. So we can escape. Uh, so we can escape. Sorry, escape even number. So how to do that? So let me take our for loop here. So int I is equal to, where to start I is 3, because as you can see here we will start the uh, our while loop is from the 2 to check, because we know that 1 to 2 already I am checking that if the our number is divided by 2. That's why the second loop starts from the 3, and I of less than is equal to math dot math dot squad of number. This is getting the composite numbers by this method. I plus equal to 2. People might be getting confused here. I plus equal to 2. Why? Because the our loop is starts from the 3. Every iteration it will be updated by 2. Let's suppose here 3 is there now. Next iteration 3 plus 2, 5. 5 is the next iterations. And then 5 plus 2, 7. 7 is the next iteration, the next iteration. It will checking the odd. So by checking the odd, I will get the automatically I will get the prime factors of the numbers. That is why our loop starts from the 3, and it will be increment by 2 in every iteration. So after this, take a while loop inside of for loop, while while. Now I have to check if our number, okay, was on time I equal to 0. So checking the our number is divisible by odd number or not. Let's suppose if we have a 60, that is divided by 5, divided by 3, divided by 7. So it will be checking that way. That is directly checking the odd numbers, because we know that the prime factor is a odd number. Always is a odd number. So while now this out, so so this is out, this out. I, if it's divisible by I, it will be I plus space, and then again here it will be until divided. It will divide it until the our number is actually divided or not. So let's run this program now. Our program is done now. Run it. See, enter your mobile number. Enter your number. Let me take 60. Enter. See, the prime factor of 60 are 2, 2, 3. These are the prime factors in this number have. Let me take 100. See, 2255 is a prime factor of this number. So this program is working fine. I hope you will understand this video. If you want to this type of videos, please subscribe my channel and do some comments and like. Thank you for watching Tech and Unbox with Anas.